Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix website design with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Wix dashboard and log into your account. Select the site you want to edit from the list of your websites. Click on the Edit Site button to enter the Wix editor. Familiarize yourself with the editor interface, including the toolbar on the left. Start with the layout by selecting the page icon in the toolbar. Choose the page you want to edit or create a new one. Adjust the page layout by clicking on the Add button and selecting Layout options. Use the drag and drop feature to move elements around the page. To change backgrounds, click on the Background option in the toolbar. Select a color, image, or video as your new background. For text changes, click on any text box to edit its content. Use the text settings to change the font, size, and color. To enhance navigation, click on the menu icon in the toolbar. Customize your menu by adding or removing pages as needed. To add images, click the Add button and select Image. Upload image. For buttons, click on Add and select Button from the list of elements. Drag the button to your desired location and customize the text. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly by clicking on the mobile icon. Adjust mobile settings and preview how your site appears on mobile devices. Test all links and buttons by clicking on them in preview mode. Review your design for consistency in fonts and colors across the site. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your changes live. Monitor your site post-publication for any necessary tweaks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.